Hi, my name's Carla Snyder, and today we're going to explore how easy, fast, and delicious it is to make seafood for dinner. And this is one of my very favorite recipes of all. It's a halibut papillote, or a sea bass papillote, or a salmon papillote. You can put just about any kind of fish you want into this little foil packet of vegetables and delicious fish. We're going to start off with some riced butternut squash. So you just dump it in a bowl, and then to that we're going to add some black beans. And I've already drained and rinsed them. And we've got a little bit of Heinen's Chipotle Orange seasoning, which adds a little bit of spice, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of that, just for good flavor. We've got a third of a cup of melted butter, a little bit of lemon, and a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. And then we're just going to mix this up, and these are going to be the vegetables that are going to top our fish in the papillote. And in a minute, you're going to see what a papillote actually is. Now the fish is going to go on a foil, sheet of foil, and you want to put it skin side down and lay it kind of off center to the middle, close to the middle of the package. And you're going to put a little salt on it and a little pepper. Then top it with your vegetables that are already delicious, right? And then you just fold it over and crimp the edges to make a seal so that all the juices, all the deliciousness that's cooking in there stays exactly where you want it. So once you've got them all wrapped up, all you have to do is put them in a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And I really love this dish because it's all in this little foil packet. There's zero cleanup, so that makes it really great for weeknights. So it's been 20 minutes, and our packets are all done. So now, it's a simple matter of just opening up the packets, and you have to be careful because it's really hot inside and very steamy. But look at how beautiful it is with all that delicious cooked vegetable and wonderful steamed fish. So there you have it, one of the easiest dinners ever. With a little help from Heinen Seafood Counter, dinner is in the bag.